How's it going, everyone? I've been researching some big cap stocks that I'm really liking. Coin is actually one of my top favorite ones here. I'm looking at this one, and wow, the pattern I'm seeing is just absolutely amazing here. So when you're looking at trading with the trend, this is what we're going to do. You can clearly see if price hits my upper band here, this red band, it can definitely go higher, but more often than not, this is where a sell zone happens. But this is good because it was so strong that it hit that upper band. And this is my top of my Keltner channel. I have it customized to be extremely overextended. So price comes back to reality, and then you can see like we're staying in this zone here, and then where are we bouncing off of? We are bouncing off the 5 and then the 10 EMA. What I would love to do is get an entry on this EMA 20. This is going to be your trampoline effect. This is going to be where your big bounce houses. This is also going to be your safest play, right? Because when price comes to hit here, you're gonna think, the algos are looking at this area. This is where big support's going to be, right? So I'm going to look at the last time coin did something like this. For example, here, this is when coin has hit this ATR4. It's your top Keltner chain. It's extremely overextended. But look what happens. Price comes back down to the 10, gets close to the 20, bounces here. Price comes back up, gets close to the 10, but actually kind of pierces through and then hits this 20. And look at this big rally right in here. And then you got to understand is once it hits it, here and there, you can make actually pretty good money throughout this zigzag. But after time, though, when it's consolidating on the EMA 20, then I'm like, okay, I'm not liking it as much because this is different. If it does a pattern like this, long lower wick, and it just goes right up. This right here is acting as weakness. We hit it, we hit it, we hit it, we hit it. And just like support and resistance, the algos will choose which side they want, and it goes down. So I don't think we are going to go down anytime soon on coin. I really don't think so. I mean, look at the pattern. I'm going to let you guys, be the judge here, but this is a very bullish pattern here. You have a stock move up very big, and then you have a resting phase, which is right in here. That is your resting phase. And you guys that know this is an extremely bullish pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's not the that's not the process here, but you could see what kind of pattern this is. You have a breakout, and then you have a resting phase. Consolidation for the next move up. Does it have to go up right away? No, it can consolidate for a very long time. But this is a very nice pattern here. So there's a lot of ways I'm going to teach. In my Discord, I am going to show you a very new way to play it. It's really nice. I'm going to talk about a lot about spreads and on options, how you could do it. But basically, what I'm looking for I'm looking for price to come down to this EMA 20, and my stop loss will be quite a bit under it. And you can see from your data price range, you can be like, okay, well, what's quite a bit? So, if it drops about 6% under the EMA 20, then I probably don't like it as much, because then it could switch trends, and then the EMA 20 can then act as resistance, because once we go under it, then it's resistance. But I think this is a very nice thing. Anybody that don't see this as bullish, I don't know what to say. I mean, that is the perfect pattern I've ever seen. Hit the ATR4, we're resting, we're bouncing on the 10, we're consolidating. I would love for it to come to 20, and then make that next leg higher. So this is very nice here. And like I said, usually when you hit this upper band, that's when you get the strongest trends. That's when the biggest momentum is there, and you can expect these EMAs to be super wide, and I mean, you can even do it on the 10 if you want. As you can see, bounces right here, comes again, but maybe play just the first one. And you can see right here, if you play just the first one, look at this. We get close to the 10, have a nice bounce. Get close to the 10, have a nice bounce. And then, it's once it consolidates, just like I said with the EMA 20, if it's consolidating on an EMA, take the next EMA lower, which is the 20. All right, guys, if you do want to join the Discord and see how I'm going to play this, I'm going to release a new strategy this week. I'm going to make a video on it of how I'm going to play these bigger cap stocks the safest way, which you get the edge in the market just like a casino does against people playing slot machines. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to find strong movers, and then we're going to look for the resting phase, which we're seeing right now on coin, and then look for a move higher. That's the best thing I could think of. But as far as showing you how to do the strategy, I'm going to post that in the Discord on how to actually do it. You can do it, you could just buy straight up shares on this, or you can buy straight naked calls. But I have another strategy that I think is way better, and it's going to be, you know, much more probability, because if price just does this and just goes sideways, we will win. If price goes down some, we will win. If price goes way up, we win. As long as price don't do a 180 degree. And that's really what matters. But I just don't see this just going all the way back down. I just don't see it. Yes, the market can do whatever they want, but my odds are this goes higher. I think anybody that knows trading, knows patterns, and knows how this system works, your odds will be much more higher betting in the favor of bulls here. All right, guys, if you do want to join the Discord, I'll put the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description I'll say join the premium Discord for my Larson system. And it will take you to this free chat landing page. Real quick, if you just want to become a member, no offense, if you don't want to, it's just up to you. Hit day trade alerts right here, and you'll get access to the premium membership, which will give you swing trades and day trades. And what I'm discussing right now is a swing trading strategy, because I'm using the daily candle. My day trades are more faster. I use slower time frames like the 15 minutes, and we look to get fast returns within minutes. This is swing trading, so we will hold overnight. But if you hit day trade alerts, you get access to all the memberships for only $12 a month. And if you hit server shop here on the top, you can read about it. But it's literally only $12 a month. You're going to learn so much. And my purpose is not to give you, you know, the hopes and dreams and you'll become a millionaire, but, you know, not a get rich quick, right? Because that does not exist in trading. You're going to have those big moves. You can grow your account very big if you're just a gambler, but I promise you down the line you will lose it all. This part of this strategy is to be consistent. You want to be a trader that, you know, you have downs, but you have up moves that are higher. It's kind of like a chart. You know, you're trending higher, just like coin. That's what your P&L needs to be. And the strategy I'm going to show you guys, you know, works consistently. So if you do want to join, hit the server shop here. Click Daily Swing Trading Plus to get access for $12 a month. It is the cheapest for the value you're going to get. And if you do it on your computer, you will get rid of the iOS fee. You only pay a flat $11.99. And please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer because they're having issues with Android on Discord, or you can just use your phone's browser. But yeah, I just wanted to make a nice video on coin. I don't know if there's much people out there bullish on coin, but I mean, this is insane. There's a couple stocks that I'm really liking, but yeah, this one is really nice on coin. You know, every time we touch this ATR4, that means you are in a very bullish uptrend. And so you can have these EMAs have very nice respections. Like, look at this, get close to the 10, and look at this nice big move up here. From this low to here was a 24% move up. I think we'll get a bigger move up on this 20. I think we can make a new high. I think we will go out of it. But like I said, the strategy I'm going to show you, and I'll post in the Discord, it doesn't matter. As long as we don't go terribly down below this stop loss that I told you, about 6% below the EMA 20, we're totally fine. If it does exactly what it's doing, we will make money. If it goes down some, we'll make. If it goes up, we just make bigger money. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. I'll show you guys exactly when I get in coin, but this is one of my top stocks after I've been researching a lot. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the Discord.